Welcome to TRADEREP. This is Short Hammer. It is the 17th of September 2019, and we are taking a look at ANTM. Now, ANTM, I like the level here. I like how we see these lower wicks, and these are Heikin-Ashi candles, and this is a daily chart. But I like these lower wicks, how we're holding in this supply-demand zone, and the buyer stepped in and pushed us up. It reminds me a little bit of this area. We held this supply demand zone. We had a slight pierce under, but the buyer stepped in and pushed us up. It seems what created the last bit of that parabolic push on this setup was earnings. So my expectation on this is a potential push up to this level, about the 262, 263-ish area. And if the buyers step in and the sellers get out of the way, then I see us potentially reaching this 267 by 269 area also. So I'll definitely be watching ANTM and looking to take it directly about 4 or 5 points higher from this 258 level, and potentially a full 10 points higher to this 267 by 269 area. Let's take a look. And also, to be honest, if you're looking at this, we can get a rejection at this supply demand zone and end up retracing back to the lower supply demand zone. I just think we may have a little bit of push because all the rejections of the low to go lower here, and then the buyer stepped in a little bit to push us to the upside. So we'll see what happens with this, if we end up going up or if we end up rolling, but I am of the belief that we're going up. If we take a peek at the 4-hour chart, I love these higher lows here. So we'll see if we continue to squeeze up and make higher lows and also higher highs.